Hey boss, Chad Hedrick here with Roof Coating Life, coming at you with another roof coating tip. Today's topic is going to be about cleaning and what it means to you and your roofing system. When you talk about cleaning, I know there's a lot of talk in the industry of what needs to be done. Don't use water and introduce water to a system when you're trying to coat, or you got to use this, you got to do this. Well guys, there's a couple, in my mind, key things that you need to pay attention to when you are doing cleaning. Part of it is going to depend on what chemistry that you are using on that roofing system. Let's talk about metal roofs first. Metal roofs are pretty straightforward. It's going to be something that is going to need, for one, a possible detergent to get maybe oil, grease, grime off. Two, an acid to etch the surface to be able to get the oxidation off and also create an actual etching of that metal. To me, that is a very, very huge thing because adhesion is everything. You have a lot of factory applied finishes that are still on metal when you do them. So in my mind, when you come in there with that acid etch, that really improves a little bit on the adhesion, along with it helps eliminate some of that oxidation. A key thing, guys, about most of your chemicals, they need moisture to remain active, especially on a hot day. These metal roofs get super, super hot and causes your chemicals, whatever you're using for a cleaner, to evaporate, and then you can't get that chemical reaction. So what we do is we pre-wet the roof down, and then you see here we actually use a solution we spray on, and that's doing some acid etching of the surface. What we like to use on these metal roofs, it speeds things up a lot, is, as you see here, is a surface cleaner. Used typically in the commercial cleaning or floor cleaning and concrete cleaning industry. These do a really, really good job of being able to allow you to take out a large area in a small amount of time. It's really effective. But there is one thing that you really need to pay attention to once you're done using one of them, and that is you really need to follow up with a wand. And just, for one, it's going to wash the fines off of the roof. For two, it's going to make sure that you hit those vertical surfaces that those cleaners may have missed some spots in the moving. So it allows you to know that you've got all your perimeters and edges and all those details that you can't reach with the surface cleaner. And it allows you to know that you've got a good cleaning with all of what you need to get done. So using a cleaner is in the right way for the right system or chemistry that you're using is key, and you really need to lean hard on your manufacturers, guys, and see what they have tested with, and know that you need to use X with Y and A with B, however you want to go about it. That gives you that peace of mind of knowing that you've cleaned that system. Adhesion is everything when it comes to coating, guys, and hopefully you can take this tip and use it to live a better roof coating life. Thanks for watching. Use these tips to live the roof coating life like a boss.